5 things that all teachers say when you ask them to go to the bathroom, part 1. In number 1, you have that teacher when you ask them to go to the bathroom, and then they're like, no, because my period isn't the free period, bro. Like, what are you doing, bro? I need to pee. You do not know if this is urgent or what, bro. But you telling me, no, you can't go because this period is not a free period. What's wrong with you? Number 2, you have that teacher when you ask, and then they're like, no. Straight up, no. This is a nonchalant show, bro. Like, when he says no, bro, all you just gotta do is sit down and be humble. Number 3, you have that teacher when you ask, and then they're like, no, it's almost break. Bro, they saying it's almost break, but the period just started. Like, oh my word, bro. Bro, like, isn't the bathroom supposed to be free, bro? In number 4, you have that teacher that told you, it's a picnic, or are you guys learning? Bro, they're sharing bread, and then when you ask, they're like, no. I'm gonna tell the teacher. Lastly, you have that one that's always using the phone in class. Bro, leave the phone before the phone leaves you. That's what you need to do. Leave the phone, bro. 5 most stupid things that can piss a person off by the snap of your fingers. In number 1, you have that friend that will laugh at everything, bro. Even if it's so serious, you will laugh at it. Like, bro, what if I lost somebody that's so close to me and you laughing at me, bro? Like, relax. And number 2 is when you make a joke to somebody and then they don't laugh and then they ask you, what's your problem? Bro, what is your problem? Why is the problem that you're not laughing with the joke that I'm saying, bro? Laugh at my joke. Like, seriously, I've been practicing this joke for the past week, bro, and you didn't laugh. Like, bro, relax. And number 3, you have the time when you want to do something like clean the house, bro. And then your mom's like, bro, you gotta clean the house. And you're already doing that, bro. Like, what is going on, bro? What has society come to? In number 4, you have when you have 5 different types of learners you will find in a class, part 2. In number 1, you have that one that can backchat. Bro, what do you do in backchatting to a teacher, bro? How are you not scared? How are you not scared, bro? And the next thing is, they're gonna phone your parents. Then you're gonna be beaten up, bro. Because you're backchatting. You're so strong, bro. You're tough. Yo, it's like you can fight a whole snake, bro, and choke that snake because of the way you backchat. You have the one that can walk out of class like nothing happened, bro. Like he just walks out. How are you so confident, bro? How are you not scared? I need your confidence in life, bro. Maybe that's when I can say my Afrikaans auto perfectly. You have the one that never have a book in class, my bro. Like, how do you not have a book?